All right, so now we've changed locations. We've moved to our new hotel, and there are different tiers. You can stay at some of these where you have your own private pool, your own private jacuzzi, and all that. But we have decided to stay. Sorry, I'm distracted by a drone. Hold on a minute.
So we did just arrive here. I haven't even taken my bag off yet. They told us when we checked in and got our key that the sink broke for the guests previous to us, but this is what we just walked into. Like, I left my one bag out here. He went in and threw his bag down there, and he's down there talking to them, asking them if they can come clean this while we go out and get something to eat. We're starving right now. By the way, this is Hotel Santorini.
Okay, so this is the Hotel Santorini. It's more on the budget side. We paid $100 a night for this room, and we were looking for something on the cheap side for this room. And this is pretty much the cheapest we found. So here we go, the quick walkthrough while Alyssa's packing up. You got a kind of closet with a safe. Nothing fancy. You got a bathroom with a sink that leaks and a tiny little shower here. See if I can get a picture of it. Really kind of reminds me of Asia almost. Got a fridge that was awesome. Nice cold fridge. Television, which I don't think we even turned on, so I couldn't tell you how the channels are. And twin beds. There is a work area if you wanted to with a chair. And tiny little balcony. Otherwise, for $100, this is what you're gonna get in Santorini. Not a bad deal. There are other options, and that's what we're gonna go show you next. Okay. All right, guys, so we made it to our new hotel. Now, there are different tiers. You can go for the real super luxury where it's thousands of dollars a night, or you can go for the mid-range. So we don't have a private pool, but we do have our own pool, and it's beautiful. We can't wait to show you guys this. Now, this room costs us $300 a night, and you'll see why. It's pretty much worth it. It's gorgeous in there. So we're gonna have Alyssa take you guys on a tour through the resort into our room and show you what we get for the money we spent tonight. This is our splurge, so I hope you guys enjoy it. You ready?
Ready.
We're staying at the Zico's Villas. Reception area.
You want to go down in front so you can talk?
Not really.
Oh.
Here's the reception room.
There's a lot of people here waiting to check in. We were actually able to check in at noon, which was awesome. We are number 302. The keys. And welcome to our villa. Put this in there. I guess I'll take you up the stairs first, huh? This is our bed. Be comfortable. That's the view out our window. Stairs are a little scary, but not wide. That's the only reason they're scary. We got a little couch, telephone Wi-Fi. This bathtub has a shower head up there, a rain style shower head. The bathroom, nothing special. This closet, all of our stuff. We got a TV
Work
and
area.
a fridge in there. Yep, our work area. This is the best part.
We got a balcony overlooking our swimming.
So we're actually gonna go hit that next, I think. Take a quick dip. We won't do that. We won't be falling asleep in the sun anymore because we got some pretty bad sunburn from that lately. That's it. We're gonna spend one night here and enjoy it. Soak it all in.
Right now, we're gonna go hit the pool, take a dip, and then hopefully I can fly the drone from here and give you guys a perspective of where we are on the side of this cliff right now, which should be epic.
So I think later tonight we'll take them out to dinner.
Maybe, we'll see.
Yeah, we might find a nice restaurant and take you out for dinner. Maybe show you a little nightlife here in Santorini. That's gonna be a gorgeous sunset later. All right, so we're headed off to find some dinner now. I think we're gonna do some traditional Greek food since it's the last night here. Look at that private shisha smoking spot. What?
What does he say?
Como ya tenemos personas ahí.
So this spot back here is the sunset spot. It's where everybody comes to watch the sunset over the ocean. But our room, I think, is gonna have a spectacular view, so we're gonna catch it from there later tonight after dinner. We're just gonna take you through a walk through this little town here right now, though. Yeah, I do. I have some, yeah.
Oh, they have ice cream and toast. Santorini city center here. This is where you come for your not overlooking the ocean overpriced meals.
Like this place right here?
I don't want anybody hounding me. I'll look at their menu. You want to check this one?
Yeah.
Hello.
Hello.
Where are you from?
The U.S.
US.
Yes.
US, sí. Francés y francés. Italiano, italiano.
Good to that.
$23.
Meatballs for you?
Yes. I'm there for now.
Where are you from?
Thank you so much.
Ooh, looks
Joint?
good. Thank you. Some chicken noodle soup.
Chicken soup.
Oh, it's just chicken
I think
soup.
it's just chicken.
And this is meatballs in yuzu sauce and feta cheese. That was great. I say 10 out of 10 for these meatballs here. How was your soup?
Delicious.
What would you give it a 10?
It was chicken soup. It was a very good chicken soup.
I'd get that again for sure. I didn't realize that it was beef and pork, right? Mixed together. Delicious.
I got a chicken hero. She's got chicken souvlaki. It's different than the heroes or souvlaki we've had anywhere else in Greece so far, so we're gonna enjoy it.
Last meal here in Greece, so it looks delicious. All right, so we just finished up dinner. It's the magical hour now. Everybody's out and about waiting for the sun to set. We're gonna head back to our room though after we find something sweet, and we're gonna enjoy the sunset from our room tonight. Wow, look at that over there though. But you can tell that everybody's here for the sunset. It draws everybody in. All right, see you back in the room.
All right, this is it. Hope you guys enjoyed the room tour. See what you can get for $300 a night compared to $100 a night on the other side of town, which actually was only a 10-minute walk from here.
Yeah.
So if you did like this room tour, give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. And actually, this is the end of our Greece adventure. So we'll see you guys somewhere new tomorrow.